Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to stop overheating on Android phones. So there are various tips that you can follow in order to stop overheating. First of all, make sure your device software is up to date. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. Over here what you have to do is find the option for software update and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to see the version of software that you're using right now. If your software is not updated, over here you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After that your device's software will be up to date. This can solve your problem to some extent. The other thing that you can do is simply disable the applications that you do not use anymore. Simply go back. Now in the settings interface, simply tap on the option apps. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. Tap on the option see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. Go through the applications one by one. Simply tap on the application that you do not use anymore. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. You can also force stop the application, or if you do not use the application completely, you can also uninstall it by simply tapping on the option uninstall. You can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option OK. Now do this with all the applications that you do not use anymore. Also, whenever you're not using the features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, make sure to disable these features. This will help to reduce the processor's workload. So for example, if you're not using the Wi-Fi right now, make sure to turn it off. Scroll down from the top of your screen. Now tap on the option Wi-Fi. Likewise, there are also other things that you can do. You can also reduce the screen brightness. Simply scroll down from the top of your screen. Now decrease the brightness by simply dragging the slider to the left. Additionally, you can also avoid the direct sunlight and remove the protective case in order to stop overheating. So if you follow these steps, your Android phones will not overheat. So that is how you stop overheating on Android phones. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.